Hi guys, it's Justin Costello coming to you from your Sea Ray Superstore here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Going to show you a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX Outboard. Completely new redesign this year for this boat. It is awesome. Twin 400s with joystick piloting. It's got the horizon hull, underwater lights, automatic tab system. First thing you notice when we step aboard, for having outboards, and look at this space in the back of the deck. No impeding walk space, tons of storage in the floor, aft facing seat for when you're stopped, hanging out at the sandbar or at the dock. I love this. Look, watch this. We have this whole ottoman here that slides out for your feet, and then everything here folds and tucks nicely out of the way. So when you're underway, we fold this down. Nice deck walking through. We got a freshwater shower, of course, more storage, speakers. It's got the new stone gray interior, matching gray snap-in SeaDeck flooring. Just plush, comfortable seats, grab handles everywhere. With a faux leather wrap, so when your hands are wet, you're not sliding on the metal. Really comfortable, nicely thought out. It's got the subwoofer, upgraded Fusion stereo system, 12-volt fridge, Kenyan barbecue grill, and of course a freshwater sink. All with this modern design on the slate material. It looks awesome. Let's go forward. Two forward-facing captain's chairs. They're double wide. So double wide seat here and a double wide seat here. And then on the port side, we have a really nice size berth. Couch fills in with a filler cushion, television, air conditioning, etc. Perfect place to throw the kids to get out of the sun. Twin 12-inch glass display with Simrad's GPS, fish finder, Mercury controls, your joystick piloting. This boat is loaded and ready to go. Moving forward to the bow. Nice opposing seats that can fill in here. And we can make this sun lounger, automatic anchor, a windlass on the bow here. Let's look back. Guys, this boat is available. It's a new 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX Outboard. Give me a call, Justin Costello, 954-633-2070.